Welcome to EASYMONEYTV, your go-to channel for quick and easy ways to make money. In today's video, we'll cover 5 easy ways to make money online in 2025. Let's get started. Tip 1. Start an online business. The first way to make money online is by starting your own online business. You can sell physical or digital products using platforms like Shopify or Etsy with just a laptop and internet connection. You can create an entire business that generates income from the comfort of your home. Tip 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another easy method to earn money. You can promote products or services on your website, YouTube channel, or social media platforms and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your referral link. Tip 3. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the best ways to make money with your skills. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, writing, and much more. Social media management. Tip 4. Investing in stocks. Investing in stocks has been one of the most reliable ways to build wealth over time. Apps like Robinhood or eToro make it easy for beginners to start investing with low fees and no minimum deposit. Tip 5. Online surveys and microtasks. You can earn small amounts of money by completing online surveys or microtasks. Websites like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars allow you to get paid for things like watching videos. So there you have it. 5 easy ways to make money online in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make money easily. Thanks for watching.